Hi, welcome to Boy Builds. Today we're going to be making a New Year's noise maker. Here's what you'll need. A recycle gift box. Technical stick. Ribbon. Muesli. Decorations. Washi tape. And hot glue. Let's get started. Step 1. Put the muesli in the box. Step 2. Take the box off the washi tape. Step 3. Hot glue the popsicle stick onto the back. Step 4. Decorate your box. And lastly, tie bells and ribbons onto the box. You're all done. That's so cool. I love it. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year. Like and subscribe. Click the link in the description and get 40 cents.